Today on Ray's Fix, we're going to be repairing a cookie press slash biscuit maker. Let's find out what's wrong, and here's Eva to tell us.
Hello, hi Ray. Your cookie machine wasn't working right because that little thing at the end broke off when we had to put it on the table.
Okay.
So the cookie machine works like this. It has to be tied down to the table. We press the dough in here and then we turn it and we decide which one shape we want. And those are the cookies we made.
Okay, let's go back to the shop and fix it. Okay, so I think I have all the tools that I need. So what we have is this piece here that guy needs to sit on there. So this guy here, the peen here, has actually fallen away. So what we need to do is re-peen it so that material there mushrooms over and will stop this from coming off. Now there's two ways of doing this. The first way is what I'm going to try with a ball bearing and peen this outward. The second way would be to just say forget it, grind that whole thing off and drill and tap a hole in there. Also, the most important thing is to make sure that I know how to fix this properly. I did have to confiscate the cookies to make sure that the job went smoothly. That's why we have a container of ball bearings. In this case, I picked some out of our small pile of ball bearings, two different ones. So these are the two. These are the two ball bearing sizes that I'm going to try and peen this outward with. Another little trick, because the ball bearings like to roll around and they're going to be easy to lose, just grab a magnet and then they can be stuck on by the magnet and you don't have to worry about losing them all the time. So it's almost like swidging. I think that's what it's called, swidging. When they use ball bearings inside of pipes to make them round. I'll back that off a bit. Put this in here. Put that in the center. Now you can see that this guy here is still loose, so it's the ball bearing that's actually putting pressure on. Push it forward. Now the clamps all around it. You see how the ball bearing smushed this out? See how that's smushed out there? Now this won't come off. That's exactly what they wanted. But what I want to do is I'm going to use a larger ball bearing and then just peen it over a small amount more. So let's grab a larger one here. Oops, out of the pack. That's a good one. So let's back this guy off again. See, now this is the goal. We wanted this to be on here. We still want it to turn, but we don't want it to come off. So we put this guy in here just like we did before. Put our small block in here. Turn that in. Want to make sure we're still loose here. We still need this to turn. If we tighten it up and it can't turn, that's a problem. That's about as far as I can go with that. There we go. Now, it's a small thing, but it's on there, it's nice and firm, and it works perfect. But keep in mind, this is an extremely old meat grinder / converted into cookie making press. It was another successful repair. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you got any value out of this video, please like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. All you have to do is click on the icon on my face and I'll do the rest. And if you want to watch other great repair videos, check out my YouTube channel, Ray's Fix. Thank you and have a good night.